Hi guys, welcome to Kuvera Trading Academy. I'm Rajesh. Today I'll teach you about support resistance. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I'll just keep it simple. Okay, normally I know most of them they know how to draw support resistance. But what are the important support resistance where the market can reverse? Just example, if you see this one, this is an Infosys stock. Okay, and I've put a monthly candle. See this one right now as I'm choosing a higher time frame. That's for swing trading. And when you're going for smaller time frame, it will be for intraday. Just for example, I'm showing you. In this one, people always get confused with support resistance. Why? Because either it's a multiple touch or swing high, low, whatever it is. To keep it simple, always look for a small candle. Many, if you see this monthly candle, right? What I will do, I'll just hide this one. Okay, yeah, I'm just hiding up to here. Okay, and here you can see this red small candles. Can you see here? All them. What you do, you take the support resistance, the zone how we draw, right? Mark that small candle. Even body is only enough. Okay, little bit up and downs will be there. Okay, we can't draw exact support resistance. No one can draw. It's a zone. You just mark it. Later on, you can adjust it. What I'm doing is that in monthly, I'm choosing a small red candle area. I'm just marking that level. Okay, here is one, and here you can see there's one small red candle, right? Don't worry about okay, can I draw on the wick or something? Okay, just take the body average. You can take it. If you want, you can draw one horizontal line also if you want to draw at the week. Okay, don't means search for any pakka support resistance and all. Okay, and here this is one small red candle, and at the peak where the market reversed, you have marked this one. Okay, this is a monthly candle. Now let's go and check in the weekly candle. In weekly candle, I will just replay this one so that you will know what happened when the market came to that zone. So I'll just play it. Okay. As you can see here, the place where we have drawn in the monthly small red candles, right? You can see from here also market bounce back, and these are next area. As I said, it's not exact; it's almost touched here. Okay, and again it went nearby, and again it came back to this place. So this is your buy area. See, loss will happen. Sometimes loss will happen. Take small loss. Don't take big loss. And again, when it comes to your zone, there you enter the trade, not like everywhere. Okay, now it came near support, right? So here you have to see the price action, not like you just came near the support area and you will go for buy. Okay, maybe here also your stop loss got hit, but again, this is your next support. If you didn't draw the monthly support, means you will be missing. What you will think? Okay, support is broken. Now the market will go down, and you will exit the trade, right? Maybe you have taken loss here. Again, you can enter the market here, and after this place, right? You can see how the market is going up. So this is your resistance zone. Here you book your profit. Don't worry about okay, it went up or down. This is your resistance zone. Book the profit, and again you can enter again. Okay. I just want to tell you that how this monthly small red candle worked as a good support resistance. If you draw an hourly or something, you'll be drawing thousands of lines for support resistance, right? To ignore that, always choose higher time frame. Once again, I'll show you. This is a monthly candle, and I've marked all small red candles. Okay, in some places. So market will react in the even from here the market comes here, right? Here you look for buying. Okay, stocks are always meant to go up, right? So when it falls from next support, it can bounce back. Okay. Okay. One more thing is that people they read lots of candles. Okay. First thing is that forget the candlestick names. When you read bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, this, that, and all, in that only half of the people get confused. They lose money. Ask yourself if you see in this area, right? When you see in this area, markets went up. Just compare. Always see the candle, big candle, small candle, over, full stop. Okay, don't go for bullish engulfing. The candle size is important. As you can see, these candles are big, and you can see here the red candle formed. But ask yourself, did it close below the green candle? No, right? Then why you have to get scared? It's a daily candle. Same thing you are going to apply in smaller time frame. And here also red candle formed, right? It was a gap up, but red candle formed above only. It didn't fall below here. And here anywhere if you see there are red candles, but it's not bigger than green candle. Okay, here you can say it's a huge red candle, right? But where the market is, here the previous day it closed here, next day it opened here, it closed here. Okay, it closed below, but the thing is that it didn't close below the green candle. This gap is also green candle, right? Like that you have to say, okay, where you can get out means, let's take this is a huge green candle and market has broken and closed here, right? You get out here. Even if, let's take you got out and market went more, right? Don't worry about it. No one can capture 100% profit. Okay, so keep it simple. Always look for big candle, small candle. And when you're seeing the chart, let me remove everything. And when you're seeing the chart, right, just example, change the colors of the candle. At least this will give you that where the market is going. Hmm. Okay, here, as you can see here, market is going up. It makes a swing, drops, again it goes up, bounce. So even kit can tell us the market is going up. Here you can see almost market it went up. Now a small correction, right? And again the trend has changed here. So with the swing, first thing you have to see the swing. When the market is falling, see here, it came down, it went up, again it came down. Now the trend is uptrend. The problem is that when you buy heart a candlestick name, you'll see, oh, this is bullish engulfing, you will buy. Overall market trend is downtrend and you're going for buying based on the candlestick name. So forget the candlestick names. Always watch for big candle and small candle. Okay. So either whenever you're trading, always look for higher time frames. Anywhere, it doesn't matter, either Bitcoin, whatever it is, go to first check in monthly. If you don't get it, go in weekly. If you're not getting in daily, then go in 4 hours. Choose a different time frame to draw your support resistance. Okay. Okay, next video I'll try to make some other things. I hope you have understand the support resistance. Okay. Thank you very much.